Hi, and welcome to another episode of Building Shit with Garrett. Today we're going to be looking at a can of Grizzly Wintergreen. Inside we have a breadboard power supply. As you can see, everything is soldered correctly onto there. We've got it working and everything, and it's super glued to the inside. We don't have any issues of it shorting out because there's no metals or anything like that, so it's good. On the side, we have a little place to plug it in. So we'll plug it in right here, carefully. Alright, and first, I'm going to switch it on. As you can see, both the lights turn on. And then we got it at 3.3 right here. Switch to 5.5. Makes the red one brighter. And we can switch to the adjustable, which, when turned, gets darker and brighter and darker and brighter. So yes, everything works correctly, and that's pretty much it.